Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dr.Meetakshi, but this video is a continuation of the Google Ads series. This video we are going to talk about the different types of Google Ads, what is their importance and which one is going to be best for you. So let us discuss each one of it in detail. So now let us first discuss what are the different types of Google Ads. Number one is search ads, or you can say the responsive search ads. Number two is performance max ads. 3 is discovery ads. Number 4 is display ads. Number 5 is shopping ads. Number 6 is app ads. Number 7 is smart campaigns, which are run by Google itself. So we are going to discuss all of these. Let us first go into Google Ads website. So first we are going to log into our Google Ad account. I'm going to click on create. Here you can see the various campaign objectives. I'll click on leads. So here you see there are various options available. So we are going to discuss them one by one now. The very first was the search ads. So if we want to search something in Google, say for example, I've written Best Coaching Institute in Delhi. When I scroll it down, here you see sponsored is written over here. These are the ads which are search ads. Okay. So now let us discuss in detail search ads. Now this is one of the basic Google ad, almost known to everybody. Okay. The basic Google ad format. Secondly, these are basically text based. That means videos and pictorial representation is not going to be much over here. And where are you going to find them? They will be there in the SERPs, the search result pages on the Google. Next is, how are you going to recognize whether it is a search ad? So as I showed you just now, you will see an indication of sponsored above them. Apart from this, you will see that the ad will be in the first 4 spots on the page. These are the ads which are mostly intent based, specifically intent based. Why? Because over here the user is specifically intentionally looking for certain keywords, typing certain keywords, because of which these ads are appearing or these options are being available to him. Now when can you use this type of advertisement? So basically you can use it all the time, or you can say any time. Now this is an advertisement which is highly based on keywords. This is where the game starts and ends. Number 2, as we discussed, was performance max ads. By the name itself also you can make an estimate that performance max talks about where you want the maximum result. It's more result driven kind of an advertisement. But it involves a combination of the AI, the artificial intelligence assisted ad bidding strategy, plus the machine learning algorithm, plus the information given by you. That means basically over here, what are you feeding to the Google? Your goal plus the assets or the information about the product. So this is a kind of advertisement which is more strategic. Now such kind of advertisements will appear in YouTube or even in the SERPs or Google Display Network and so on. So basically if we see, this is a advertisement which is going to be best suitable for any kind of an e-commerce business. What is an e-commerce business? Which are selling their products online. So here you have given the information of your product and you have just chosen the goal, and the work will be done by the Google itself by choosing this advertisement. Now there is one more point over here, the information given by you. This information that you are giving will be known as the custom audience that you are providing to the Google. Where is this custom audience coming from? This is being created from your Facebook. This is being created from Instagram, from other e-commerce websites, the previous campaign that you have used, and so on. Next is discovery ads, the number 3. Okay, so this is one kind of an automated campaign. So by name automated campaign, you can understand that everything is not under the control of the user or the person who is actually advertising. That means these are the advertisements which are not by automation. You can understand that it is automatically being, some part of it is being managed by Google itself. Okay, where are these advertisements going to appear? These will appear in the discover feeds or YouTube's homepage, or in the YouTube watch next feed, or it can be in the Gmail's promotion. So here you'll see that discovery ads is basically useful when you know that here the people are more close to the stage of conversion, or they have a high conversion potential. Now the question is, why is this advertisement going to appear only at these places? Discover feeds, YouTube homepage, watch next feeds. So that because user at this stage is already, or at this point is already browsing. So what is that which is automated over here? Here we are basically providing the image and the text at our end. And finally, if you see the ad placement, where it is going to appear, on which feed it is going to appear, is taken care by Google itself. So if we talk of the mantra over here, when can you basically use this kind of advertisement? If you do not have a huge audience, you can choose the discovery ad campaign, because in this case the automated version of it is going to help you. Number 4 is display ads. So this kind of an advertisement is going to be best when you have to increase the brand awareness. Plus, you want to increase the re-engagement to website. Here if you see, the image is going to run on the Google display network. What are your Google display networks? Your websites that are with partnership with the Google. These websites are basically providing the ad space for the ads to be displayed. Example you see in Gmail or the Google Finance, so on. How are these advertisements going to look like? They will be mostly in the form of visuals. These visuals can be images that are static, or they can be animated graphics. Now what is Google going to do over here? Google is basically going to show these advertisements on the websites which are visited by your target audience quite frequently or more often. Because you must have seen, when we are looking for certain advertisements or certain category of products, we are shown with multiple options by the Google itself on its own. Now this magic is basically happening how? Seeing to the data which Google has already gathered, the audience is basically searching what kind of a website or what kind of a product. So based on your browsing history, based on the behavior of the user, this display ad will be shown. Now over here, if we say with respect to the people who are already in business, okay, and who are, or the advertisers who are basically spending money, a good amount of money in display ads, because as I said, display ads are the ads which are appearing frequently, okay, and it is being shown randomly to the people based on their past behaviors, based on the browsing history. So here if you see, the visual display will have a high impression. What is impression? We have discussed earlier also. I'm going to show put the link also here. Because it is going to be displayed again and again, it will have high impression and can have a low click-through rate. So here when it comes to questioning or analyzing the success of this advertisement, it may become a bit difficult. So these two factors need to be considered by professionals. So because this is a display ad, one thing has to be taken care of, or you can say the mantra over here is going to be that we need to see where is this advertisement being displayed, plus who is actually watching this advertisement. Where means on which website, and who means The target audience, the desired target audience should be seeing these advertisements so that the money is not deducted unnecessarily. Why am I saying this? Because again of the fact that it is going to increase the impressions, and because I want my advertisement to be more profitable and I want the advertisement to incur the final results and the audience should be converted, so the advertisement should be shown to only those people who are actually interested in your products. Next ad type is the shopping ad. So by name also you can identify that this kind of an advertisement is a must have kind of an ad format if you have an e-commerce business or you are an e-commerce retailer, because here you are going to put across a product catalog that can be seen by the target audience. So what is being used? This kind of an advertisement, if you see, because you are using product catalog, that means they need to be visual advertisements. These ads are going to show the items that are for the sale with their price, with the image, with the description, link to the website, and so on. Now here again, if you see the advertisement, which advertisement has to be shown to which audience is being decided by the Google itself. How? Because the Google here is taking the information of the audience based on their past browsing history by the Google Merchant Center. So this is clear that Google Merchant Center is taking the data based on the product feed that is being provided by you. Now where is this ad going to appear? It is going to appear in your SERP, Google Search Network, Google Images, Google Shopping, Google Maps, and so on. Now because these are shopping ads, you will have to use negative keywords. So what are basically these negative keywords? These are keywords, or you can say these are words or the phrases which you are basically adding so that your advertisement is not being shown on any website, or you can say irrelevant websites. So here basically what are you doing? You are narrowing down your audience, or in other words we can say you are optimizing your audience. You want your advertisement to be shown to people only who are interested, who are suitable enough for your advertisement. For example, you are into a business of clothing and you are not into you do not have products such as party wear gowns. So here if you select the negative keyword as a party wear gown, people who are looking for the party wear gowns, your advertisement is not going to appear for them. See, why are we basically doing this? So if you add a negative keyword in your Google ad campaign, your advertisement will not show in searches where it is not required. So here your advertisement will be shown on highly relevant keywords only. What is the basic mantra over here? The very first, as we discussed, is use the negative keywords. And second is you will have to use the merchant center setup for the e-commerce website. Next is the app ads. So app ads are the ads. If you want your apps to be promoted, you're going to use this app advertisement. The last is the Google Smart Campaign. Google Smart Campaign is a campaign which is fully automated. That means you have no control over here. That is why Google Smart Campaign option is chosen less. Here if you see, while you are providing some basic information to Google, Google at its level is managing as well as creating your advertisement. Such advertisements will be in YouTube, partner sites, Google search, Gmail, and so on. Even maps. So these kind of an advertisements, if you see, are not used much, but they are suitable for the people who do not have much time and much knowledge of how to create at their own level. So here basically you are saving the time. Here in this case, keyword themes are used. What are these keyword themes? These you can say are the basic keywords. For example, if you are into a business of bakery, then your advertisement will be eligible to be shown to multiple people who are looking for bakery near me, or bakery shop, or local bakery, or cake shop, so on. Minimum 7 to 10 keyword themes can be used so that this advertisement is shown to the relevant people. So these were the different types of Google ads. Which one is most suitable in your case? Please mention in the comment section. We are going to see it practically in the next videos also. Till then, see you in the next lecture. Thank you.